Hi guys, today I'm talking about EFT, that means electronic fund transfer. So now start. Electronic fund transfer, it is a very popular electronic payment method to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account. Account can be in the same bank or different banks. Fund transfer can be done using ATM, automated teller machine or using a computer. Once the amount is transferred to other account, the customer is notified of the fund transferred by the bank. The growing popularity of electronic fund transfer for online bill payment is paving the way for a paperless universe where checks, stamps, envelopes, and paper bills. The benefit of electronic fund transfer include reduced administrative cost, increased efficiency, and simplified bookkeeping and greater security. Electronic fund transfer is a system for transferring money from one bank account directly to another without any paper money changing hand. Electronic fund transfer is a refers to any transfer of fund initiated through an electronic terminal including credit card, ATM and point of sales transaction. It is used for both credit transfers such as payrolls payment and for debit transfers such as mortgage payment. For many customers, e-banking means 24 hours access to cash through on ATM or direct deposit or paybacks into checking or savings account. But e-banking now involves many different types of transaction. E-banking, also known as electronic fund transfer, that means EFT, uses computer and electronic technology as a substitute for checking and other paper transactions. Electronic fund transfer are initiated through device like credit card, those we authorize access our account. Many financial institutes use ATM or debit card and personal identification number that is PIN for this purpose. Some use other forms of the debit card, such as those that required at the most our signature or a scan. Now, suggestion of EFT. First is take care of our ATM card or debit card, known where it is at all times. If we lose it, report it as soon as possible. Second is use a PIN for your ATM or debit card that different from other cards, and it will be different from our addresses, telephone numbers, social security numbers or date of birth. This will make it more difficult for a thief to use our card. Third is keep and compare your receipt for all types of electronic fund transfer EFT transaction with your periodic statement. That way you can find errors or unauthorized transfer and report them. Fourth is make sure you know and trust a merchant before you share any bank account information or pre-authorized debits to your account. Be aware that some merchants use electronic processing of your check if you sign a receipt authorize this transaction.
And if you like this video, so please click on like button and please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thank you.